Controls at your fingertips allow you to adjust almost anything. Spin the left scroll wheel to change the volume of media or a phone call. Press this control in to pause, play, mute, or unmute audio. Push it left or right to skip between tracks or radio stations. Press the right scroll wheel in to initiate a voice command. You can ask your car for just about anything, and it learns new commands over time. Press, release, and then say a command once you hear a chime. Play Rocket Man. Let's go home. There are backup door releases near your window switches to use in the unlikely event that a front door doesn't open when you press here. To preserve the quality of your door trim, use these releases only as backups. Reach up to turn your hazard lights on or off.